Hey guys, what's up? This video is all about how can you easily share your computer files or even host your HTML document within your local network. And this is and we are not using Apache 2, we are just using a module in Python 3. The name of that module is http.server. So let us try that. For that you need to have a Python 3 installed. I already have that installed on my computer. Okay, so for installing Python 3, just type apt get install Python 3. Okay, now I'll create a new folder. I'll just name that folder be testing server. I'll just go to that folder. Okay, and I'll create some files. Okay, so I have created these 3 files. So now let me host this testing server folder. So for that I'll just type python 3 -m. For module we are basically using http.server, so http.server, and you need to just specify the port number. So default it runs on port 80, but I have my Apache service running on port 80. So I'll choose another port. I'll choose port maybe 65. Okay, so now let's see what happens. I'll just open my web browser. Just go to localhost port 65. So directory listing for this particular path. So I have created these 3 files. So these files appeared here, and I can even host a kind of web server HTML document. Basically index.html will be automatically rendered by this Python 3 web server. So okay, so now let me create a basic HTML file. Create index.html. Now I'll just add, hey guys, what are you all doing to this index.html. So now let me start that server again. Let us refresh that. So this has actually hosted our index.html in this particular address, right? So this works on IP2. Let me show you. So IP config grep 192. So this is my my mouse has stopped working. Okay, so this is my local IP. Let me see what. So yeah, this is our HTML document which has been hosted by this Python 3 module. And if you want, you can use ngROC service to actually get this service to use this HTML document in WAN networks. So this was the video. Thanks for watching.